Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to work we go.
Yeah, Lizanne should have the map.
I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah, yeah.
So lads, we are at the halfway point. How are we feeling?
I'm feeling fine. It's actually been halfway to here. We found this insane resting spot underneath the tree.
So the boys got here in record time and took a rest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Brilliant. Boys, how are we feeling?
Fantastic.
Brilliant. Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Making it worth it?
Best group ever. Best group of all time.
Would you recommend it to anyone?
Yeah, everyone.
Well done, guys. Hey.
Well, we've just been for a family week, which was lovely. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Manaal lost her phone. How are you feeling that you're currently phoneless?
I feel okay.
Okay.
I feel like I could have a broken leg.
Yeah.
Stop it with the whistle. Look at the views. No, there's no views. That's a nicer view. Guys, we're not taking in the views. Look at the scenery. We're near a park!
We're trying to find a bin. We will not be littering.
Yeah, I know. We will find a bin.
We will find a bin and put you in it. How is everybody feeling at this part of the journey?
I'm never going to trust you like
I'm gonna
ever again.
We're going strong! No, we're not. We're really not. I fell over 3 times. Ellen's done it.
How are we going? How are we doing? I hope good. We haven't eaten. We soon meet Dave. I think his name is Dave.
There you go. Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm so sure.
She's
Not
not.
all of you. Okay, I just do it. When I say stop, stop.
Oh my god.
Just. When I say stop.
How do you feel? Oh, pour it down the back of my neck.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
You do know that water a can as well.
Oh, you look so hydrated.
That's really
That's really
we're only halfway there, and this is what happened so far. Yes! We finally hit the road. Okay, we've just got about an hour left to work camp.
And then
We started walking along this really long road for about an hour, and we finally got to cars. I'm so happy. Manaal, how are you feeling now? Manaal has it rough.
Okay, I've had it the most. So
Yeah.
I'm sick. What do I have again, Lexi?
Tonsillitis.
Tonsillitis. I've hay fever, lost my phone, and my stomach's hurting.
Oh my god! There's a guy! Oh my god! They gave us a staff number, right? So if anything's going on, to answer. So call. We're calling. It's not working, Mr Tipton. Mr Tipton, what's going on?
Answer your phone, Mr Tipton, please.
We just got to camp. Woohoo! Last one's here. Just like always. No, we were last.
Yeah, we went the wrong way on purpose. It was intentional. To give everyone else a chance.
Yeah, we went the wrong way on purpose because we knew we were going to get hit first.
Yeah.
I was kind of leading and got lost. Yeah, because we're lost.
It's so hard. Please, save us.
We're independent women. We can do this.
This is the right way or not.
We've just finished lunch. Now we're about to go for the rest to get to camp. I just want to head back to camp.
Yeah.
Pretty scenery. I am.
Okay.
We're losing brain cells. This is not okay.
We're meant to
Run. We're not okay. Someone send help.
Yes. Energy. More energy. More
Passion. More energy. More passion.
I've got a leaf in my shoe.
I don't want to do this anymore.
I'm going to sing the whole Hamilton from the beginning. 1776. New York City. Pardon me.
I'm Alexander Hamilton. I'm at your service, sir.
Pardon me. Are you embarrassed, sir?
If I just
See you on the flip side.
Hello Manaal.
Hello.
What have you lost? Tell the people.
My phone.
And where did you lose it?
On the hike.
And where did Mr Blair and Mr Tipton find it?
Did you find it? Oh, is that was you actually? Where was it?
In the nature reserve.
Was it? Thank you.
So thank you
Next
to
the
the
pub.
thank you to the 2 random strangers who found it and called us, or called your dad.
Thank you.
Yes.
You're my favourite teachers, I promise. I'll give you brownies.
You heard that.
2 bottle pop, 3 bottle pop, 4 bottle pop, 5 bottle pop, 6 bottle pop, 7 bottle pop, pop.
Fish and chips and
Vinegar, 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 fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, pepper, pepper pot. You can't put your muck in my dustbin, my dustbin, my dustbin. You can't put your muck in my dustbin's full. Hey Isabel,
I think I hear my name.
hey Isabel,
I think I hear it again.
I want it on the telephone.
Well, if it's not 8 then I'm not at home.
That's it. Thing is dying. Bye bye. Mr. Tipton, charge your GoPro. It's dying. Pretty. Beautiful trees. Nature. Garbage. Like my feet. Isabel has officially left us. She just couldn't do it and we appreciate her efforts. But we miss her. Sorry, we miss her.